Welcome back, guys, to Fortek 9. So today we have another unboxing video, but this one's a little different. It's a little different than what we usually have on the channel, but it is a RC car. So here it is. This is a Veeniix V997 Stormmaster. It got the omnidirectional tires with a little blaster on top. So they do come in white and black. Oh, look at that. Looks kind of crazy. Here's the blaster. And I believe it's magnetic. Yep. So you get a bottle to put for the gel things. Here's the remote. Look at all those buttons. We'll go through them and see what they all do. Safety glasses. It's pretty cool that they included this. So if you're going to be shooting each other, make sure you wear safety first. You got batteries. So it looks like you got 2 batteries. Then you got the water bullets, charger. Oh, and you get a little hopper for the bullets. Number one thing I want to find out is how strong is this blaster and how far can we shoot. So I went ahead and got these guys prepared. So I'm going to go ahead and raise it all the way up. I think that's the highest. And then I'm going to walk down until I see where it's going to reach down. So we're just going to count how much parking spaces, I guess, how far it shoots. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stand right here on the 6th parking spot. See if it can reach me. Okay, I hear it behind me somewhere. Dang, no way. Let's go all the way over here. It's still behind me somewhere. Holy moly. Oh, yep, right here. Oh, shoot. It's landing like right here. Not counting where the truck is. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parking spaces away. Dang, that's actually pretty far. Wow, I'm actually kind of surprised how far this thing can shoot. So let's go ahead and set up. I'm going to set up some cups. See how powerful it is now. Let's talk about all the buttons on here. Let's start with the obvious ones. You got the ones on the back, that's for shooting. Now, you got this one, which is a programming button. So, you press it, and then you tell it what to do. So let's go forward, back, side, side. And then when you press it, it's gonna do it. This one, turn off the sound. Now, you got no sound. Turn it back on. It makes a bunch of sound. And now you got a music button. Play some music. Next, you got the laser right here. On, off. So the reverse button is if you get 2 of them, you basically could play laser tag. I mean, that's how I could describe it. So you press it. It's not gonna actually shoot it, but it's basically you're gonna be tagging each other. And you got like 8 lives, so with every hit, your car declines in basically how it drives. So you get less power to the wheels, and then when you get shot 8 times, basically the car turns off. So you got little sensors in the front. Next, you got the speed. So right now we're in high speed. And this is low speed. So it could be a little bit more accurate. So these guys are just to spin this way and then that way. I'm gonna turn it back to high speed. And these are basically the driving modes. So you got 1, 2, and 3. So 1, I'll just show you guys in the booklet. It just tells you basically how you could drive. 2, it seems like the best one, because you could go around, you know, object like that. And then this one, that's just to lock, so you can't move the blaster. And that's all the buttons, guys. All right, we got some cups set up. So now we're gonna test out the laser, see how accurate the shooting is, and how, if we could knock them down. Let's aim for the top one. Let's try that one. Oh! Okay, let's go to that one, top one. Dude, aiming is kind of hard. Okay. All right, there we go. We got the top cup. So there you guys go. Just a quick little unboxing and review of this little guy. I'll be making more videos challenging this thing with 2 of them. So keep a lookout for that video. And again, if you guys want it, I'll have a link down below where you guys can go check it out. All right, guys. So honest opinion about this thing so far. Honestly, I think it is a pretty interesting toy. It's cool that, you know, it comes with the omnidirectional tires. It does have a blaster. It is fun. I could see people buy this for Christmas or birthday gifts. It is a pretty cool toy, a little different, you know. Honestly, the only downside I found about it is the blasters, they do run out pretty quick, and once in a while you might have to, you know, just shake it a little bit because they don't really feed through, but that's about it. Other than that, this thing's a pretty cool toy. You know, putting an FPV system on this thing would be actually pretty sick. If you could just have goggles and drive this thing around with the FPV, that would be pretty cool. I could see people doing that. We have 2 of them, so we'll be making another video with battling each other. So look out for that video. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.